Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Enthusiast Era. So let's get straight to the point. Today's task is install Git on a Linux server and create a new Git repository inside /opt/ media.git. It's a non-bear repository, so you will be working with a working directory. If you read this, the Nautilus DevOps team shared with the DevOps team requirements for new application development, setting up a Git repository for for that project. Create a Git repository on the storage server in Stratos DC as per details given below. Install Git package using M on storage server. After that, create or init a Git repository name this, and this is not to create a bare repository. So first we need to SSH to storage server. As per the task, I have already SSH into it. Now we need to install Git on this server. Now the command is sudo yum install git -y. What this does is use yum, the package manager, to fetch and install Git along with any dependencies. The -y flag just auto confirms the prompt and quick and clean. Once installed, you can verify it by using the git ---- version. Let's try this. Okay, it is installing now. First, it is updating the existing packages. I can say dependent packages. All right, it's done. Now let's verify. So if you see a git version output, you are good to go. So now we need to create the git repository. Now the actual task is to create a git repo inside /opt/media.git. But here is the catch. It should not be a bare repository. That means it should behave like a normal git repo you'd use for coding. It will have a working directory, staging area, and everything. Let's do it. For that, sudo mkdir /opt media.git. Now cd /opt media.git. Now do git init. Permission denied. Try this. Sudo git init. Okay, it initialized an empty git repository under this. So we are using git init, not git init --bare, because we want a full-fledged git workspace. Once you run this, Git sets up the .git directory, which holds all the version control metadata. If you do ls-a, there is .git directory. This is now a live Git repository. So if you summarize this, you have installed Git using yum, created a folder /opt/media.git, initialized it with git init, a non-bare repo, And that's it. You are now ready to start adding files, committing changes, and building on top of this repository. So if you found this helpful and useful, hit the like button and consider subscribing. We are making Git, DevOps, and Linux simple, real tasks. Let me know if you want anything to be covered. Thanks for watching. Bye.